हेलो, दिस इज ओम प्रकाश यादव। और कैम प्रोफाइल स्टार्ट करेंगे आज। देखेंगे व्हाट आर द कैम प्रोफाइल। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट कैम प्रोफाइल. So this is our, there are three circle. The smallest one is the base circle. I will say in detail later. So this is smallest one is the base circle. Then this one is the prime circle. This one, middle one is the prime circle. And this outermost circle is the pitch circle. तो ये आपका तीन सर्किल हो गया. This is the base circle, this is the prime circle, and this is the pitch circle. Now, this is the cam profile. जो रेड पेन से ड्रा हुआ है. This is what the cam profile. इसको डार्क कर देते हैं. This is your final result. So this is the cam profile I have written here. Now, following to the cam profile, you are having one more curve. Look at this one. So this is what the pitch curve. This is what the pitch curve. This is your roller follower. This is the roller follower. So this is the line of stroke of the follower. Line of stroke of the follower. And this is what a normal drawn to the cam profile. A normal drawn at the cam profile. At the cam profile. Now let us start and let us see one by one. So first one, what is the base circle? What is the base circle? So this inner one is the base circle. So what is the base circle? You can see that some part of the base circle is also the part of the cam profile. So we can define the base circle as a circle. So a base circle can be defined as the part of the cam profile. Part of the cam profile. So it is the smallest circle that can be drawn. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile, and for which center is same as that of cam rotation. So center of rotation of cam is this one. Also the center of this circle is this one. So this is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile, having the center same as center of rotation of the cam. So that is what the base circle. Next is the trace point. Next is the trace point. So let us see what is the trace point. This is the reference point on the follower. So this is your follower. It is the reference point on the follower which are used to draw the cam profile. So trace point is the point on the follower which are used to draw the cam profile. Okay. So for the roller follower, the center of roller, for the roller follower, center of roller is the trace point. Center of roller is the trace point. But for this knife face follower or flat face follower, this is the reference point. This knife face or point of contact is the reference points which are used to draw the cam profile. Okay, that is the trace point. Next is the pitch curve. Next is the pitch curve. This is the pitch curve. And how you can get the pitch curve? If this roller move all around the cam profile, आप इसको हाथ से लेके इस cam profile पे इसको roll कराइए. Then trace of the trace point. Then curve made by the trace point is known as the pitch curve. When this roller roll all over the cam profile, then curve traced by the trace point is known as the pitch curve. Is known as the pitch curve. So for the roller follower, you are getting different cam profile and a pitch curve, and that difference is equal to what? Radius of the roller. Radius of the roller. But for the knife face follower and a flat face follower, this pitch curve and cam profile will be same. That is this base circle and a prime circle will be same, because radius, there is no radius, 0.8. So this prime circle and a base circle will be same. So what is the pitch curve? It is the curve traced by the trace point when the follower move all around the cam profile. So that is what the pitch curve. Next is the pressure angle. Pressure angle. So it is the angle between the normal drawn on the cam profile. It is the angle between the normal drawn on the cam profile and the line of stroke of the follower. So this is the line of stroke of the follower, and this is the normal drawn at any point. At any point. So angle between this normal at any point and the line of stroke of the follower is known as the pressure angle. Pressure angle. So you can see that pressure angle will change as the cam will rotate. The pressure angle will change. जब आपका ये वाला पार्ट आएगा, ड्वेल पार्ट आएगा, then you will see that phi is 0. So for the dwell, phi is equal to 0. For the dwell, pressure angle is 0. And there is a pitch point. What is the pitch point? Where the pressure angle is maximum. So your pressure angle is maximum at the pitch point. This phi is phi max at the pitch point. At the pitch point. So your pressure angle is variable, being 0 at the dwell and the maximum at the pitch point. Maximum at the pitch point. So you have seen what is the pressure angle. Now let us see what is the pitch point. What is the pitch point? It is the point on the pitch curve. It is the point on the pitch point. It is a point on the pitch curve at which the pressure angle is maximum. At which the pressure angle is maximum. That is known as the pitch point. Next is a pitch circle. A circle drawn through the pitch point. मान लेते हैं कि यहाँ पे प्रेशर एंगल मैक्सिमम है, तो फिर ये ट्रेस पॉइंट आपका क्या बन जाएगा? पिच पॉइंट बन जाएगा. सो जब प्रेशर एंगल मैक्सिमम है तब इस पॉइंट को क्या बोलेंगे? पिच पॉइंट बोलेंगे. तब इसको क्या बोलेंगे? आप पिच पॉइंट बोलेंगे. तो आप इतनी सेंटर आप वही लेंगे जो कैम रोटेशन का है और इतनी रेडियस लेके आप जो सर्किल ड्रॉ करेंगे. दैट इज नोन एज द पिच सर्किल. सो व्हाट इज द पिच सर्किल? So it is the circle drawn through the pitch point having the center same as the center of rotation of cam. Okay, center same as center of rotation of cam. That is what the pitch circle. So this outermost is the pitch circle. Now prime circle. So this one is the prime circle. So what is the prime circle? A smallest circle drawn to the pitch curve. Let us say this is on what? On the pitch curve. So this pitch circle, this prime circle is what? It is the smallest circle drawn to the pitch curve. And having center same as the center of rotation of cam. That is known as what? The prime circle. So for the roller follower, so this is what the base circle and this is what the prime circle. So you can see that radius of prime circle is more than the base circle by the amount equal to what? Roller radius. So to get the prime circle radius, you add in base circle radius just radius of roller. तो आपको प्राइम सर्किल का रेडियस चाहिए तो आप बेस सर्किल के रेडियस में रोलर की रेडियस को जोड़ दीजिए. ओके, बट इफ दिस इज द नाइफ फेस फॉलोअर और फ्लैट फेस फॉलोअर, देन already I have told that base circle and the prime circle will coincide. This pitch curve and this cam profile will coincide. Means what? For the knife face follower or flat face follower, prime circle and the base circle will be identical. Means their radius will be same. Next is what? Lift or stroke of the follower. So when this cam is rotating, this follower is going to the topmost position and to the bottommost position. So it is the maximum displacement of the follower from lowermost to the topmost. So what is the lift or stroke of the follower? It is the maximum displacement of the follower. Now, what is the outer stroke angle or angle of descent? This one, what is the outer stroke angle or angle of ascent? Suppose your cam is rotating. And the follower start moving upward. Then rotation of the cam. So cam rotation angle for which the follower is rising from the lowermost position to the topmost position. So what is the outstroke angle or angle of ascent? So this is the cam rotation angle for which the follower is moving from the lowermost position to the topmost position. Lowermost position to the topmost position. That is what outstroke angle or angle of ascent. In the analysis that will be presented by theta naught, outstroke angle. Next is the return stroke angle or angle of return. Angle of ascent, angle of descent. Angle of descent. Angle of descent that are represented by theta r. So what is the angle of return or angle of descent? It is the cam rotation angle for which the follower is coming from topmost position to the lowermost position. So it is the cam rotation angle for which follower is moving from the topmost position to the lowermost position. Lowermost position. Now next is the angle of dwell. This angle of dwell. So what is the angle of dwell? The dwell can be at the lowermost position or can be at the topmost position. So what are the dwell? Your cam is rotating but follower is not moving up or down. So it is what the cam rotation angle for which follower is not moving or displacement of the follower is 0. So cam rotation angle for which a follower is stationary, they are not moving, is known as what? The angle of dwell or dwell. Angle of dwell or dwell. So angle of dwell. Next is the angle of action. Angle of action. Let us understand what is the angle of action. Angle of action. Suppose this is cam rotation angle and this is the displacement. So dwell, then rise. Suppose there is a dwell, then rise, then there is a dwell, then there is a return, then again there is a dwell, then again there is a dwell. So this is the cam rotation angle and this is the displacement. This is the displacement. So dwell, rise, dwell, and then again a return. So let us understand what is the angle of action. What is the angle of action? So it is the cam rotation angle from the start of rise. तो यहाँ से आपका rise start होगा. From here the rise will start. So it is the cam rotation angle from the start of rise to the end of return. To the end of return. तो rise यहाँ पे stop हो रहा है और return कहाँ पे stop हो रहा है? यहाँ पे stop हो रहा है. Rise started from here and the return end of here. So this is known as the angle of action. Angle of action. So this is the angle of action. Angle of action. So it is the cam rotation angle from the start of rise to the end of return. End of return. That is what the angle of action. अच्छा, स्टार्ट ऑफ राइज और एंड ऑफ रिटर्न के बीच में अगर ड्वेल आता है तो वो काउंट होगा और उसके पहले का या बाद का ड्वेल काउंट नहीं होगा एंगल ऑफ एक्शन में. एंगल ऑफ एक्शन में शुरू का ड्वेल और लास्ट का ड्वेल काउंट नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर राइज और रिटर्न के बीच में ड्वेल आता है तो वो काउंट होगा. लेट अस सी, आई हैव काउंटेड. सो दिस इज व्हाट द एंगल ऑफ एक्शन. एंगल ऑफ एक्शन. Okay, so this is your cam terminology. Now I will see the cam follower derivatives. I will see the follower derivatives. Okay, अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और प्रेस कर लीजिए बेल आइकन्स को so that you can get the notification. Okay, thank you very much.